welcome to my channel. So here we are today with another video, and we are going to see today how to find the kth largest and kth smallest number in an array. Okay, so there are two approaches to solve this problem. First one, we will try to see how we can solve this problem by using a brute force approach. Okay, so first one is by using brute force approach. Okay, so as I see brute force approach, so in this approach, uh, what we can try to do is the first intuition that comes in my mind is to sort the array. Okay, so let's just try to sort the array. Okay, so once the array is sorted, it would be in the form of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 10. So these are my elements. Okay, and the length of it is 7. Okay, so it has a array of length 7 and it is all sorted. Okay, now my question is to find the second largest element. Okay, so I take this integer as 2 because I need to find the second largest number. Okay, so as I see here, it is sorted array and this one is the largest number and this is the second largest number, right? And this is the third largest number, right? So what I can do in this case, I can print a array and I can take till the length of array. Okay, and if I try to subtract the integer, okay, so what it will give me, let's try to check. So arrays dot length is 7. Okay, 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, so we count from here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will give me 8, which is the second largest number we try to find. Okay, so let's check. Uh, it's 8, so it's populating correctly. Let's try to change it and check for. Okay, it's fine. It's giving us the right thing. And also we did this for using the kth largest number. Okay, similar approach. Let's try to find the kth smallest number. Okay, so let's find the smallest number. So what I wish to do in this case, because in this case I have sorted an array in the ascending order, and then my intent to solve this question for finding the smallest number is to sort the array in the descending order. Okay, so to sort the array in the descending order, what I can do in this case, I'm just commenting this code for now. So I can just take a list. Okay, and then I can add my array elements into the list. Okay, now let's let's try to find out. uh, I need to sort this list in the descending order, right? So I can take collections dot sort my list, and the parameters I can pass my list, and also I can use a comparator here in this case to sort it in the reverse order. I can take collections dot reverse order. Okay, so I can see my list in this case is sorted in the descending order, right? So I want to print out the smallest number in this case, right? So to print the smallest number, similar thing we'll going to do. We'll use list dot get. Okay, and list dot size we need to use, and subtraction with the kth integer number. Okay, so let's try to run this. So it's printing the fifth. Okay, so I want to find the smallest number, right? So smallest number, the third smallest number, 3, 4 and 5. So it's printing correctly, right? So let's just change it to 6 and then try to run it again. So it's printing 8. It's also fine because it has a length of 7 and we're finding the sixth smallest number, which is 8th, right? So it's correct. So now let's just try to see the solution using the priority queue. Okay, so in the priority queue basically works on the concept of min heap. Okay, so it has a concept of min heap. So min heap works like it has a child elements which are greater than the parent element. Okay, so in min heap, this is my element at the top, which will be the smallest element, and I want to find out what is the largest element um, present in an array based on the priority queue. Okay, so the priority queue, remember guys, it just basically sorts the element by using the min heap. Okay, and let's just do this. I can initialize my priority queue. Okay, and then I can add my array elements to the priority queue. My all the elements are added to the priority queue. Okay, so now I can run a while loop and compare uh, till the priority queue dot size. Okay, so I can run a while loop. Okay, and then compare if my k is less than pq dot size. Okay, if it is less than that, I can remove my elements from the priority queue, and at the end I need to uh, print what is my last removed element. Okay, so I can print it, and then let's just check what is the output, because I am printing here the smallest, like the largest sixth element, which is 4, right? So the largest sixth element is 4 and I need to find the second smallest. Let's just run it and check. So the largest second largest element is the eighth, which is correct one if you see, right? So let's just dry run it and see what is happening. Okay, so my priority queue has an element from the 0 till the length of the priority queue. Okay, so and then I will run a while loop here and compare my elements with the size of the priority queue. Okay, so 2 is less than 7, so it will remove the element 3. So the element 3 here at the 0th index will be removed. Okay, so till this condition is satisfied, it will remove the elements, and lastly we'll be remaining with 8 and 10. Okay, so it will just won't go along with this pq dot remove in this loop, and it will come out of the loop and print the 8, which is our element to be required. Okay, and now if I want to use this for finding the smallest element in an array, I can pass in the comparator, I can pass collections dot reverse order, and then in this case it will find the smallest element. If I pass collections dot reverse order, so in this case it will find what are the smallest element. Okay, so I'm finding now the second smallest element, right? So let's just run. Second smallest element is 4, right? Because we see 3 and 4 over here, right? So if you feel any other way how we can achieve this uh, program, so please comment below, and yeah, and like and subscribe for more such videos. Yeah, thank you.